My people, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode I go cook Ofe Owerri, and na for Pidgin English I go take cook this soup. So this one na my $165 Ofe Owerri soup. Imagine say you use 247,500 naira take cook one pot of soup. Before you go shout, make you sit down, make I show you everything why I use. So first, goat meat. So I get beef, snail. This one na cow skin wey be kanda. I get stockfish head and stockfish cord. E dey good make you mix both of them together, so that way they go dance inside the soup well well. This one na apple snail. Na wetin they call this one here. This one na dry fish wey I go use for the soup. I get my shaki wey be beef stripe, onions. That one na one onion. I get maggi, pepper, salt, the normal things wey we dey use cook now. This one na okazi. You no get where you take cook Ofe Owerri where you no go use okazi take cook. This one na yellow habanero pepper. Then we get our fresh ugu leaves. Now the first time why they see fresh ugu leaves for America, we need to see I'm here at all. So make we start. You go put your goat meat inside pot. Put your cow meat. Add the shaki. I no use everything, I just keep some. Add the stockfish. Add the kanda. You add everything together. Then you cook and steam everything together. You add the dry fish too, because all this dry fish they sabi strong well. So you go add them, you go steam the fish, make it soft. Add onions for people who like onions. If you don't like onions, now you know that one. No. Add your pepper. Add your maggi. Go add salt. You keep the apple snail and the other snail aside. Later now you go add those ones so you no go soft too much. So I no go steam that one. This is not the red palm oil what I go use. I will keep that one aside. This one is my crayfish. I will keep them for later. This one no ogiri. You no get where I want to cook Ofe Owerri where you no go add ogiri. So now my ugu leaf be this. So this one na $10 ugu leaf. Imagine if you pay 15,000 naira for this ugu leaf. Our African store, you no get the store for this America wey cost reach African store. E be like say our African store owners, e be like say they vex for us. The way they raise the prices, no be small thing. This ugu here na $10 will be 15,000 naira. So if you dey new for this channel, make you like or subscribe or leave your comments. How you take the cook your own Ofe Owerri? How much you dey spend when you want cook Ofe Owerri in Nigeria? Because here, no be small thing. Our African store they sabi cost here well. So after I don't cut everything, I don't cut the ugu to the size where I want. I will keep this ugu. Now later I go use them. So now I'll come prepare the thickener. So this one I dey use cocoyam. So I go boil the cocoyam make it soft, wey be say if you use fork take poke am, fork go pass through. So if you go for store, unless in an African store, they need dey call this one cocoyam here, or they call am malanga. So if the store where you go no be African store, you say cocoyam, nobody know wetin cocoyam be. But if you say malanga, yes, they know. So after you boil am, e don soft, you go peel am. You go either use knife or use your hand. Me, I like use my hand because everything is soft, so no need. So I will use my hand, peel am, put everything inside blender. You fit pound am or with mortar and pestle if you get that energy. So before I blend, I dey like add small water, so that way the blade inside the blender go move small, because this cocoyam sabi thick well well. So na so you want make the cocoyam be after you don blend am finish. You go scoop everything, put inside plate, keep am one side, wey you go use thicken the soup later. So at this point, you go check on the meat wey dey fire. You see say the meat don release all the water. I never even add water o. This one na the meat release im own water. See, I go add small water now, then I go cover am make e boil well well. So after e boil well well, I go remove the kanda wey be the cow skin. I go remove am. Then I go remove the dry fish too, because those ones don soft. So I go allow the goat meat and the stockfish and the beef, make those ones boil well well, because those ones dey take long to soft. So I go put those ones aside. Now later I go bring them back inside the soup. So after I don boil small, I go add small palm oil. I no measure am, but be like say na half cup wey I use. So I go add the apple snail here now. I go add the snail because I no want make the snail soft too much. I dey like my snail if I dey chew am, make the person wey dey the other room dey hear wetin I dey do. We'll add the ground crayfish, add everything. After you don't boil small, now we'll come add the cocoyam to thicken the soup. So I will use everything. I will add all the cocoyam to this pot. I go add my ogiri now, because you no get how you want to cook Ofe Owerri soup where you no go add ogiri. But if you don't like ogiri, no add, no be by force. So at this point, my people, make you subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section, make you tell me how you take to cook your own Ofe Owerri. Add okazi now before we forget them. Make you put your comment how you take to cook your own Ofe Owerri. How much it cost you when you cook Ofe Owerri? Let me know. So now I will add small water. So now the water, now by your choice. If you want make the soup thick well, you add small water. If you don't want make it thick, you add enough water. Because this Ofe Owerri, once it cool down, you go thicken again. So after you don't turn this soup, the next thing what you go do now, you can add your fresh ugu leaves. I no regret that $10 why I spent take buy this ugu leaf. I no regret, because this is not the first time why they see fresh ugu leaves here. So as the soup done dey boil now, all those things wey you remove before, the kanda, you go add everything. You go add the kanda wey be the pomo, you go add am. You bring back the dry fish, you go add the dry fish. You go test the soup to see if you need salt, you add salt. If you need maggi, you add small maggi. If you need pepper, you add small pepper. But if you don't need anything, you don't need to add anything. So as you just let everything boil together, this soup done ready be that. This kind of soup, I didn't mean say I did Nigeria. Now better loy akpu I go take swallow this one. This one not be the type where you go use semo or farina or anything here. This one are the type where you go use loy take accomplish the mission. See soup. This one are the reason why we didn't say Owerri women sabi cost. You know, say when they say Owerri women they cost to marry, I don't understand until I cook this Ofe Owerri. So now the soup be that. As I no can get akpu, na semo where I use. So let me know in the comment section how I take cook this Ofe Owerri soup. Owerri people, make una tell me, e get wetin una dey add for this soup why I no add? E get another style when I dey take cook this soup? Leave your comment in the comment section below. Until we jam again in another episode. Una thank you well. Bye.